Hey there, Bill Beck here in Branson, Missouri with the Short-Term Shop. I wanted to show you 124 David Shawn Lane. This is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, vacation rental approved property here next to Silver Dollar City and Table Rock Lake. This property is ready to go, fully furnished, professionally designed. I'm excited to show it for you. Here we are in the kitchen. We've got our wonderful little island with bar seating for all of your guests to come in and enjoy, sitting while someone's making some food while they're on vacation. Got brand new appliances. This property was built in 2024, so everything should be functioning as normal and working just like a charm. All right, let's start with the living room area. So fireplace, TV, couch, seating area, ample for all of your guests. Very nice place to relax and hang out. Walking out onto the back deck area, complete with a fire pit, plenty of seating, amazing panoramic views of the Ozark Mountain area. This is a great spot for all your guests to come and chill out. All right, let's go check out this first floor master bedroom. Again, amazingly designed, accent wall, beautiful little design touches, king bed, little desk if you want to do some work. Got your ensuite bathroom, and one of the best features out there, you can see the lake where people are out boating and having a good time. This property actually has 2 bunk rooms. So you think about heads and beds for vacation rentals, this is ticking the box on that front. Got an arcade system, 2 bunks, really awesome views out the back window, great spot for kids. Here we are, our second bunk room. Got great lofted ceilings, some very custom art designs, television for the kids. Again, great spot. All right, here we are. First of 2 master bedrooms downstairs. Very spacious in this room. Again, accent wall, really large king bed, ensuite bathroom. Downstairs, second of 2 master bedrooms, ensuite bath, king bed, exquisitely furnished. Plus, it comes with your own private deck. Beautiful Branson in the background, rolling hills, hot tub, more seating area, beautiful views. This is a wonderful place to come and relax with family and friends. All right, this is Bill Beck again with the Short-Term Shop. Thank you so much for checking out this property with me today. If you're interested in more information, please go to theshorttermshop.com. Click on the link below. Here to help you out.